Welcome to the world of latest technology and inventions. We all love the arrival of new gadget, something that will make life more convenient and entertaining for yourself. That's why we put together some of the most interesting and innovative bits of tech out there right now in our list of the coolest robots that are adorable and we think you'll love. So sit back and watch till the end. First in the list is Robohon. Robohon is a smartphone disguised as a robot. The little robot works as a phone, with a screen for a belly, but it does more. Its inventions have come in many shapes and sizes, but until now, nothing as cute as Robohon, the small and easily portable robot-shaped phone. Despite his playful exterior, he is packed with a wide array of technology and cutting-edge features. A newly developed built-in compact laser projector with focus-free operation allows users to project photos, videos, and maps onto a screen or wall. Users can also download dedicated apps to give Robohon new functions and services. Robohon has all the basic functions such as phone, email, and camera, as well as a range of services accessed through dedicated apps, all of which are used by conversing with this humanoid. The robot can walk on two legs and be operated by voice commands. It is compact enough to carry and use almost anywhere. What's more, Robohon can grow to accommodate more natural communication with the user by learning the user's profile and usage situation. If you're looking to use Robohon for a presentation, there is a HD projector built into the miniature robot, offering focus-free playback, also ideal for showing photos and videos. It is one of the most adorable robots of all time. In order to find his way around, Robohon has 9 different sensors tucked away inside him, with 3-axis accelerometers, 3-axis geomagnetometers, 3-axis gyroscope, as well as a light sensor. He can manipulate his environment with ease, making it easy for him to walk and know his exact location. There is also voice activity detection software built into Robohon, so he'll be able to identify where you are in the room and move to you. The robot's smartphone core allows it to carry out a range of tasks, from snapping and sharing images to controlling smart home appliances, TV, and air conditioners. So, what are your thoughts on this one? Let us know in comment section. Next in the list is Reba 2, the next-generation caregiving robot. Reba is the first robot that can lift up or set down a real human from or to a bed or wheelchair. Reba does this using its very strong human-like arms and by novel tactile guidance methods using high-accuracy tactile sensors. A new robot using high-precision tactile sensors and flexible motor control technology. Robot can lift a patient up to 80 kg in weight-off floor-level bedding and into a wheelchair, freeing care facility personnel of one of their most difficult and energy-consuming tasks. Reba 2 also has smart rubber sensors, the first capacitance-type tactile sensors, made entirely of rubber. The capacitance-type smart rubber sensors in pronation of the forearms, the chest, and the upper arms are used to measure the interaction forces between the held care receiver and the robot. Those in the supination of the forearms and the upper arms are used to operate the robot. One of the most difficult and energy-consuming tasks for care facility personnel is lifting a patient from a food planet floor level into a wheelchair. Reba is snugly soft to make lifting comfortable and fun, and the pronounced bearishness is there to help patients relax. It features springs to help it lift more weight, and it responds to both touch and voice commands. Printed in sheets and fitted onto the robot's arms and chest, The newly developed sensors enable high-precision tactile guidance and allow Reba 2 to quickly detect a person's weight from touch alone, guaranteeing patient safety. Meet Ozobot Evo, an award-winning coding robot that unleashes your inner creator beginner to master coding. Students can use markers and paper to create color codes, sequences of colors that communicate commands to Evo through its optical sensors. This helps them develop fundamental coding skills like sequencing and debugging. They can go beyond the basics with Ozo Blockly, powered by Google's Blockly, which features 5 levels of hassle-free on-screen programming. Evo features proximity sensors that allow it to perform tricks and detect obstacles. Plus, LED lights and a built-in speaker allow Evo to communicate with students as they practice their STEM skills. Start coding your Ozobot completely screen-free with color codes, then advance to block-based programming with Ozobot Blockly. Kids will love how Evo interacts with the environment. In addition to its optical sensors that respond to visual indicators like color code, start coding screen-free with color codes. Learn basic coding concepts like cause or effect, critical thinking, and debugging. Arrives assembled and ready to play with app games and 2 ways to code. Level up and unlock upgrades with Evo as you make creations and play games like Ozo Launch. Works with most iOS and Android devices. Code Evo online with the Ozo Blockly editor or screen-free with the stroke of a color code marker. Evo is an app-connected coding robot for the next generation of creators. A smart robot that brings coding and creativity to your classroom. Get started by discovering ways to control and code Evo. Collect stars, play games, and chat with friends as you go. Then explore infinite creative ideas and share your own Evo creations with the Ozo Squad. This is Xiaomi CyberDog. It is a bio-inspired quadruped robot. With its in-house developed high-performance servo motor, Xiaomi CyberDog has a wide range of movements including running, jumping, turning left or right, and leaning forward. Xiaomi CyberDog can be controlled in 3 ways: via the mobile phone app, voice control, and a remote. Xiaomi's Nio AI system is built into the CyberDog, and it can be used to control compatible smart home appliances such as the TV, vacuum cleaner, air conditioner, and air purifier. CyberDog has enhanced capability to perceive its surroundings. It comes embedded with an array of camera sensors including 8-eye interactive cameras, binocular ultra-wide-angle fisheye cameras, and can be trained with its computer vision algorithm. The CyberDog can also do a backflip, roll around, and stand on its hind legs. CyberDog benefits from 12 groups of high-performance servo joint actuators. With a maximum torque output and rotation, speed up to 32 Nm or 220 RPM, it has a maximum walking speed of 3.2 meters per second and a maximum payload of 3 kg. Xiaomi CyberDog has a waterproof level of IP53 rated. You can take it wherever you go. It comes integrated with Intel D450 depth camera module, which can realize centimeter-level visual navigation and obstacle avoidance through a precise algorithm. Also, it is equipped with 1 AI interactive camera, 2 super wide-range cameras, 1 ultrasonic sensor, 1 luminous flux meter, and 1 top sensor, so that the CyberDog can perceive its position and speed all along. The AI camera on its head allows CyberDog to identify its operator. To add to its pet-like nature, users can use voice assistants to command and control CyberDog by setting a wake word, or simply use its accompanying remote and smartphone app. CyberDog can be called on for the most unique tasks, and the ways in which it can be interacted with holds unforetold possibilities. Meet MIP, a robot that brings the game room to your home. Play, unlock, and level up with screenless play, plus a suite of 20+ app-enabled games. with brain-trained games, test your mind, memory, and reflexes. And filled with top-tier tech like Bluetooth and gesture sense technology. With 7 different game modes, wheels, this multifunctional and autonomous robot is more than just a toy. Upgrade your MIPS capabilities with the free MIP app for your Bluetooth smart area and so much more. Now comes Photon Robot. The robot can be used at every level of education from kindergarten all the way to 12th grade. When working with the robot, students develop their programming skills by implementing in real life the programs they have created. Its features include RGB LED lighting, a sound sensor, obstacle sensor, black line tracking system, light sensor, touch sensor, and motion measurement. Communication between Photon robots. An onboard navigation system for smooth, regular, and easily controllable high-precision movement. Teach core competencies or expand your lessons about planets and the solar system by taking the robot for a walk in space. Take it onto a meadow to learn about plants and bees. Take it into a city to talk about road safety. The robot can be used to introduce colors, animals, or geometrical figures, or even to explain the concept of sustainable energy. Photon is also great for carrying out games aimed at consolidating mathematical operations and memorizing numbers. The robot is intuitive in use and ready for work right out of the box. With its help, you can control the robot's operation during interdisciplinary classes, as well as to conduct lessons in the basics of programming. You will also find ready-made programs that you can start with one click, as well as aids and materials useful for conducting classes. Say hi to Vector, the first home robot that will steal your heart, not your data. Smart right out of the box, Vector is more than a robot companion. He's a live robot living in your house. No need to bring your phone between the two of you. If you're interested in how Vector's feeling, the app offers a visualization of his mood and stimulation. It's also where you can view his robot and human selfies. Curious, independent and powered by AI and state-of-the-art robotics, he can read the room, share the weather forecast, set a timer, no overcooked dinner on his watch, take a snapshot, and so much more. Vector is your sidekick, who's up for anything but mostly just wants to make you laugh. Vector is voice-activated and will answer questions, take photos for you, time dinner, show you the weather, and more. Vector is an updating platform, cloud-connected via Wi-Fi, so he's always learning and updating with new skills and features. Last in the list is Ido. It is the next-generation social family robot. Smart, interactive, and uniquely mobile, Ido is the first social robot that can move around your home or office to help improve your lifestyle. He can play with your kids, help you with household chores, handle your schedule, and keep your home connected and safe. Ido is a true all-rounder. He can be your children's teacher, the person who repairs everyday worries, the caretaker of your house, your personal DJ, your overhead projector, or even the friend who will be there for you. It also comes with a multimedia projector that can convert any wall into a movie screen. The Ido robot is unique in its kind. He can feel, touch, see, understand, and reflect. His intelligence allows him to discuss and analyze situations in order to warn you. It will perform tasks and is not limited to the sole function of an educational robot. He can entertain you by showing your favorite movies or video games. If you have a technical problem, he will propose a solution. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.